everyone. Today topic is identification and cultivation of algae. Table of contents, definition of algae, identification of algae, types of algae, cultivation of algae, key factors for growth. Definition of algae. The term algae seaweed was first introduced by Linus in 1753. Meaning in the apparatus, the algae comprises of large heterogeneous assemblage of plants which are the deserve in habit, size, organization, physiology, biochemistry, and reproduction. It is an important group of Talophyta, Geothalus, spread phytonia plant, the primitive and simplest division of the plant kingdom. The hardly systemic study of algae is called physiology. G.T. Physicos series locus study or discourse. Identification of algae. Identification by microscopic form. Algae can be divided into several groups. Single microscope cells that float in the water column are known as planktonic. They can be create scum or discolor water generally. Plummeters developing into long plummeters that residual grace or air. They can tangle or form visible mates that you can pick up with your hand. Macroalgae, bigger, more plant-like organisms that emerge from the water bottom. The pigment found in each algae vary. Green has both A and B chlorophyll. Blue-green cyanobacteria in fact, additional variety with particular use, including red, gold, and brown. Structure and order. Some algae have definitive smell while others are slimy. Some can be irritate the skin, so exercise caution when using them. Identification by microscopy. Cellular structure. A microscope is necessary for planktonic or filamentous algae. Look for characteristics like the arrangement and form of the cell as well as species organelle like chloroplast. Spherogyra tightly twisted in chloroplast, Diplosporum fairly chain, and Hyena crypsin stigma are few examples. Molecular techniques for accurate species identification, sophisticated techniques such as DNA interpretation can also be employed. Environmental hint. Location. The location of the algae may providing hint. While certain algae are found in more contaminated area, others are more prevalent in clear moving water. Possibility can be limited by the type of water body, freshwater, saltwater, lake, river, etc. Types of algae. Green algae, chlorophyta. Green, they are found on moist soil in freshwater and is marine environment. They are bright green and high in chlorophyll. Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra are two examples. Brown algae, Phaeophyta brown algae. There are huge range from brown to olive green due to presence of the pigment phycoxanthin. They include varieties like kelp and sargassum and are prevalent in maritime area. Algae. Red algae Rhinophyta phycothyrin gives red algae their color and they are frequently found in the ocean deeper regions. Phorophyra and Bactocospermum are two examples. Atoms, Basilario diatoms. Most of the golden brown algae are unicellular. Blue-green algae as class of freshwater algae known as Iguanids Iguanophyta as a single flagellum for locomotion. Iguana is a typically illustration differs the name blue-green algae cyanobacteria are essential prokaryotic bacteria rather than actual algae. Another name for them is cyanobacter. Green yellow algae. Green yellow algae xanthophyta, a collection of algae with various yellow-green color. Dinoflagellator, another kind of algae that is frequently referred to as a fire algae. Cultivation of algae systems that are open. Description: open tank raceway ponds are unconventional ponds that employ atmospheric carbon dioxide and natural sunlight. Advantage: low cost, simple to operate, and easy to scale up. Coins: high change of contamination by other species and difficulties maintain the constant temperature and light level. Example including cultivation of organisms such as chlorella and spirulina. Closed system. Algae are grown in confined containers like tubes, flasks, eggs, or huge photobioreactors. Benefit: prevent contamination and offers exact control over nutrients, light, and temperature. Coins: more costly and intricate than open system. Example: when a sterile environment is needed or high volume species are begin cultivation. Key factor for growth. Key factor: light is necessary for the photosynthesis in algae, and many species thrive in temperature between 20 and 24 degrees Celsius. For photosynthesis to occur, algae needed carbon dioxide bubbled into water in various systems to speed up growth. Nutrients: wastewater and seawater are examples of the particular culture medium that is required to supply the required nutrients. Temperature: although lower or higher temperature might hinder growth or cause depth, the majority of regular cultivated species can be withstand temperature between 16 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. pH: the growth of algae, the water pH level needed to be checked and corrected. Aeration mixing: to guarantee that all of the cells have access to light and nutrients, algae must be keep it float in the water column by aeration or mixing. Thank you.